Luli.
Inside this little home, a little puppy happily roams.
With every hour he grows some more, and we all call him Sunny.
Sunny, 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 hey.
Around the world, Sunny has been,
Sunny, sunny,
and asks questions of what he has seen.
Sunny, sunny.
With every hour he grows some more,
And we all call him Sunny.
Sunny, sunny, hey.
Sunny.
A tower for Mommy.
Hello, Sunny.
Mommy, ruff, ruff.
Mom has come back from shopping. Oh, hello, my sweetheart. How nice it is to be home. Ah, I bought many, many things.
Yes?
Come and look. We have eggs,
Eggs.
and I brought flour.
Flour.
Yes. What else?
What else?
Butter.
Butter.
We have all the ingredients here. Today we will bake cookies.
Cookies?
Cookies, that's right.
Cookies.
Which cookies do you like better, coconut or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Chocolate,
Yes.
excellent. I like chocolate too. I'll go right now to get the chocolate. Ah, here's the chocolate. Excellent. Ah, I see that you can't help yourself. 1 minute, sweetheart. We'll start baking very soon. Do you want to knead the dough with me?
Yes.
Very good. But first we have to make some room.
I want to knead. I wanna knead.
Excellent.
Huh? Huh?
What's the matter, sweetie? What happened, dear?
The tower.
What tower, Sunny?
A tower from Mommy.
A tower for Mommy? I don't see any tower here.
You ruined it.
I did?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But there aren't any blocks here.
Cups.
Cups? What are you talking
A
about?
tower built with cups.
Ah, the cups that were stacked up here?
Yes.
Oh, that was your tower. Oh, sweetheart, I'm so sorry, Sunny. I really didn't mean it. I didn't know. I didn't realize. Sunny dear, I am so sorry.
Sorry?
Sorry. Sorry. I didn't mean to cause you worry. Sorry. Again, I'll say I'm sorry. I hope that you forgive me, and then instead of being sad, soon you will be glad. Do you forgive me, Sunny?
Yes.
I love you. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to cause you worry. I'm sorry. Again, I'll say I'm sorry. I hope that you forgive me, and then instead of being sad, soon you will be glad. Sunny. Hey! Sweetheart, let's go. We'll go and prepare the dough. But first we have to wash our hands.
Yes. Chocolate. Hey, I love chocolate. Oh. Huh? Oh, my. Mommy's scarf. Oh, no. Oh.
Sunny?
Oh.
Sunny?
Yes, Mommy.
Oh, what happened to my scarf? Oh my, Sunny.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
Sorry?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Oh, I see that you're sorry. Oh, I forgive you, sweetheart. Oh, sweetheart, of course I forgive you.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to cause you worry. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Again, I'll say I'm sorry. I hope that you'll forgive me, and instead of being sad, you will be glad.
Look, Sunny, you made me smile again. Sunny, 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 Sunny.
Hey!
Sunny and Mom made wonderful chocolate cookies together, and they both forgave each other for everything.